Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be talking about septics and septic letters specifically, and how they relate to real estate or a real estate transaction. I'm Carlos Colon with Georgia Perimeter Homes, and this is your weekly video. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So let's get started. So septic versus sewer. Okay, so first of all, what is a septic system? All right, so versus a sewer, which is the opposite of that. So a sewer system, let's start with that one because that one's easier to define. That means that all of your wastewater and waste for your home in general runs on a line and connects to a larger tube that's run by either the city or the county or whoever your community is. And that's the upkeep is up to them on that kind of stuff. So there's no tank, it never fills, but it all runs into this one larger line, and it's all shared by your neighbors, and it's typically easier to maintain because you don't have to get it pumped or anything like that. You can still get blockages on those lines, but it's not the same. So, as opposed to a septic system, okay, septic systems are private sewer systems, so to say, for your home, and traditionally this is going to be in more rural areas, and so this typically means that you have at least about a half an acre or larger yard. So if you could imagine a 30-acre parcel or home will probably have a septic system because they're not going to run a sewer line on that acreage unless you're right up against a road. So just think about how that relates. So you're never really going to hit a sewer on large tracts of land, typically anyway. That's not always the case. So what is that septic system? So what happens instead, you still have a line that runs out with all of your wastewater and sewage, but instead of running into a main line at the road or behind the home in between some homes, this runs into a tank. So just visualize like your fuel tank on your car, but much larger. It runs into this tank. That's where it goes through and gets filtered. As it's being filtered at that point, it then runs to what they call a drain field. What that drain field is, it's already filtered all the waste and all the gunk and everything else, and it continues breaking it down because there's bacteria in there. And then the cleaner water runs in then to the drain lines in your yard. Now, how that's designed, where it lies within your yard is a big deal, because if you want to install a pool, for example, you need to know where that tank and that drain line is, because the last thing you want to do is dig it up. So you want to make sure that all of your lines and everything else, you know where it sits in your yard, so you know what you can install where, so it doesn't mess up your future maintenance of the septic system. So, all right, so now let's go into kind of why it's important. What is a septic letter then, and how does that relate to a real estate transaction or just my home in general? So typically when a buyer is going to ask for a septic letter, they're going to usually be very specific with how they ask it. And so it's important to differentiate between three different things here. Number one, a septic clearance letter from a septic pumping and clearance letter, and the third one would be a septic inspection. Okay, all three of these, they run hand in hand, but they can be very different, so be very specific on what we're talking about here. So a septic clearance letter means they have dug up your septic tank. So they have, dug up your yard in order to get to the septic tank. They have opened up the cap, and they have made sure that your septic system is operating correctly. Okay, typically this is what that's going to mean. Now, for those of you that don't know, this is every step that's involved in a septic pumping too. The only difference is you don't pump it. In most cases, you'll go ahead and do the pumping anyway, because it's usually not any different of the charge in doing the septic clearance letter where you dig it up versus doing that and the pumping. So you just want to make sure that you understand that. Septic pumping would be when that waste that's been filtered starts reaching a certain point, and typically this is what they recommend is every 5 to 7 years that you have this done, is have your septic system pumped. What they'll do is they'll take a hose inside that, and they'll pump out all the waste into this big truck. And then at that point, they'll make sure that your levels in your septic tank are at the right levels in order to make sure that it doesn't back up and flow into your house instead. So this is important to maintain your septic system. And so this is very important when you're buying a home. So now you know how it relates to when you're selling a home. Now there's one differentiation here that's very important to make. The last one that we talked about, which is a septic inspection, could mean what we talked about first, which is digging it up and checking it. But if it's phrased as a septic inspection, it can also mean, hey, call the environmental health and have the guy go out there and start stabbing the ground where your septic tank is and make sure it's not like backing up that way. That means they haven't really dug it up. They haven't done anything special. It's the equivalent of you just walking out there and making sure that the ground isn't wet above the septic system. So that's not the same. And so be very specific, and if you're buying a home, be specific on what your agent is asking for and how they phrase it. Okay, because the pumping and the clearance letter should go hand in hand versus a septic inspection / clearance letter, not necessarily the same thing. So, because I can get that really cheap from the environmental health versus paying hundreds of dollars to have a company come out, dig it up, make sure it's okay and working, and then at that point pump it if it needs it, and then give a clearance letter showing, hey, everything's in great shape, which the inspection company from the environmental health will do the same thing. Guess what? We checked it. No, they didn't. They checked the ground above it, and everything looks good. No reason to believe why that it's not working correctly. Boom. That is a septic clearance letter, technically. So you have to be very careful, okay, because that's not the same quality inspection. So if you have any questions about this or anything else related to real estate in general, please reach out to us. Our number is 770-314-1285, or check out our website at www.georgiaperimeterhomes.com. Thanks. Bye.